Today we will be creating powdered oats. So if ever you run out of cereals, what you can do is, this is a good product, Quaker Oats, whole grain oats. So you can, I think, buy this for about, I think, 150, if not mistaken, Philippine pesos. And you need to have one of these. I guess any magic bullet sort of thing would work. So you should have that blade. Of course, the cup where you're gonna put the cereal, and the machine, and this is the byproduct. So let's do a demo. Let me just put this right here. Okay. So you put right here in a cup. We'll put some whole grain oats. So fill it about 80% up to the brim, and then you can now cover it up with the blade, just like so. Shh. So for mommies and daddies there, this is a solution if you don't have much money and you have a Quaker Oats sitting right in the corner. Alright then, we have an Allen brand here, so it's pretty straightforward. Just look up the marking there to do the push down thingy. So push it down. So slowly and steady, it's transforming from whole to powder. Give it about 15 to 20 seconds. Need not to prolong it because the motor might get fried, so be careful. That's about it. Alright, so let's pop it open. Shake it. So I have to, pat the top so all the remnants would go down. And that's it. Let me just do a... There you go. So it's nice and fine that your baby can eat. There you have it. Alright. So that's our finished project. The next part would be, putting warm water to it, or your baby's milk. Depends on what you need. Just like this one. This is the baby that would eat it. Look at that. Hello. Alright folks, that's about it. That's our demo in making a powdered Quaker Oats, or oats if you may. So check out my next videos upcoming 2020. Alright? Thanks, bye bye.